Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini in English. Gemini is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence model from Google, designed to understand and generate human-like text, code, and even images. It's a versatile tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks, from answering complex questions to assisting with creative writing. We'll explore its core capabilities and how you can leverage its power effectively. To begin using Gemini, you'll typically access it through platforms like Google AI Studio or Google Bard. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once there, you can select English as your preferred language for interaction. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to easily input your prompts and receive responses. It's a straightforward process to get started. Crafting effective prompts is key to getting the most out of Gemini. Be very clear and specific about what you want. Providing context, like a few example sentences or a brief background, can significantly improve the quality of the output. Also, specify the desired format, such as a bulleted list or a paragraph, and the tone, like formal or casual. Experimentation is encouraged to find what works best for your needs. For advanced usage, consider breaking down very complex tasks into several smaller, more manageable prompts. This helps Gemini focus and produce more accurate results. Don't hesitate to iterate on your prompts, refining them based on the responses you receive. Remember to always review and fact-check any generated content for accuracy and suitability before using it. Gemini is a powerful assistant, but human oversight remains crucial.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.